Hello, I'm Michaela and this is my second book unhaul, and I have 4 books that I don't really want anymore, and I'm just gonna get straight into it. And the first one is The Mistletoe Bride by Kate Moss, and the only reason I'm getting rid of this is because I don't really care for the book anymore. I bought this pre-owned at a charity shop and I've read it and I don't really care, and it's just going to end up going back. And the next book that I've got is Moon Boy by Chris O'Dowd and Nick Murphy, and this book I bought because it was cheap from Waterstones. It was less than £5, and I expected it to be a little bit like Diary of a Wimpy Kid, and in the layout and everything it is just like that. And I think I prefer Diary of a Wimpy Kid, and I think this does have a TV series as well, but I think I'd prefer the series to this book, and this got on my nerves a lot more than Diary of a Wimpy Kid did, and I think I'm going to stick to those other books than to Moon Boy, and I'll let a kid enjoy this more than I did, and they can have that instead. And The Shining Girls by Lauren Bukes, and I wasn't really that impressed by this book at all, and someone else can have it because they might actually enjoy it more than I did. And again with this one, it's a pre-owned book, and at least with the pre-owned books they're super cheap at about £1 to £1.50 each, so if I don't want it they can just have it straight back, and it's not really a problem because they're going to get sold straight away again. And the last book I did enjoy for the most part, and that is The Secret Scripture by Sebastian Barry, and I did enjoy this book. I thought it was absolutely fantastic, but there is supposed to be a twist in this book which I figured out halfway through, and I'm not going to tell you what that is in case you plan to read it. And that's the only problem that I really have with it, is that I figured it out, and it was supposed to be a bigger ending than I thought it was going to be, but it's a shame I figured it out so quickly. And that's again with this one pre-owned, and they're going to have it back. And all in all, this was another great read, but unfortunately I don't really want to keep it. It has no sentimental value, and someone else can appreciate this more than I do now. So apparently this is supposed to be a film, and I look forward to that, but other than that someone else can keep it. And that's all I've got for you today, and thanks for watching, and see you again soon.